So hello guys, in this video we're gonna see how to create a AI image with Canva. So at first go to Google and search for AI AI image with Canva. Then go to this page. After coming to the website, you will see there are a lot of text. So just click the text to image, then you will see you have come to your own Canva account. So I suggest you to go for the Pro account, because in the Pro account you will get the full opportunity to convert text to image with an image generator tool. So I'm just taking the generate AI image. So let's see what happens. Okay, so it is asking type what you would like to see and watch it come to life. So you invite me. So it asking if you want to try using existing design or using new design. So I'm going for using new design. So I will suggest like for Instagram posts such as. So let's see how to create a AI image, a artificial image with Canva Pro. I think this is okay. Here is the, and it is the app. So this is the app where you can create, you can generate your text to image. So I am going to click the use. Okay, so right now I use a brand new technology to create an image with Sketch. So all you have to do just paste our text in here, and you can choose your style. So as you can see, there are concept art, photo, painting, drawing, 3D, and pattern, and you can also select your export view. So let's see how to use it properly. So I am suppose searching for two friends traveling to the future. Two friends traveling to the future, and they got a time machine. Okay, two friends traveling to the future and they got a time machine. So let's see how it come text to image. So I am suppose selecting at concept art. So you can select what type of style you want. If you want a photo style, painting, drawing, 3D pattern. So at first I'm going for the concept art. So let's see how it brings. So two friends traveling to the future and they have a time machine. Sorry, I have to say they have a time machine. Okay. Let's see how it generate. So I am clicking the generate image. So it's working, guys. So right now we are creating a artificial intelligent image, like an AI image. Oh my god. So guys, as you can see, I just write two friends traveling to the future and they have a time machine. As you can see, with my text, it brings me at least four of the image. If I click one image, so let's see. So as you can see, guys, this is just incredible. This is just incredible that as you know, in 2023 we got ChatGPT. So right now artificial intelligence is growing more in the ChatGPT like text, and now in the Canva Pro. So you can create unlimited of your so guys, you can create unlimited stories, post, or poem. You can create your ebooks. So guys, this is really wonderful. So that I just type here. So if you go to the generate mode, so if I summarize the story little bit, so let's see. I just need this image, and I also need this image. Okay. So if I create a story, so I got all the illustration from just Canva. So suppose I just I want to expand it more, so I just click on the generate mode. So guys, can you believe this? It also generates me the more picture or what just I just write. So it's really wonderful, and you you can now write unlimited of books, or you can sell them and earn money. So as you can see, it's creating a new kind of world of image. So guys, this is how you can create unlimited AI images from Canva Pro. So you can go to ChatGPT and write a book. I will show you in the next video that how to create a complete book. And after creating the book, you can come to Canva and create your books. All of your illustration you can create from Canva, and you can create a complete ebook and you can earn. So guys, you can sell your books. So this is really great. You can create unlimited of artificial intelligence images like an AI image from Canva. So thank you so much, guys. So guys, as you know, ChatGPT is completely free. Canva is completely free. So use it and use it properly and make money online. Thank you.